Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to delete shortcuts on the Snapchat. So if you want to delete any shortcut on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, log into your account. After that, you have to click a picture, click on the next, and here you will see different shortcuts I created before. So on the right top you will see shortcuts option, click on it, and after that all of your screenshot will appear here. So simply you have to select any shortcut from here you want to delete. So let's suppose I want to delete this check one. Now I am in the shortcut. On the right top you will see three dot icon, just click on it, and after that click on the delete shortcut and again click on the delete, and this shortcut will be delete as you can see. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.